Hey, it's Scrappy Peeps. Suzanna here today to share with you the April kits for the Scraproom. Here I have the 4 flavors of the month kits, and don't forget that I subscribe to the embellishment add-on as well as the pattern paper add-on, so you'll see those as well. So the 4 flavors this month, you have Photoplay Freebird, you have Echo Park's Flower Market, Pinkfresh Studios Out and About, and Vicki Bouton's Kaleidoscope, or Color Kaleidoscope, I believe it is. So I'm going to start with that, and then we will go from there to the Doubleshot Kit. So this is Vicki Bouton's latest collection, Color Kaleidoscope. And so you are going to get 3 pattern papers, 1, 2, 3. 2 pieces of craft cardstock, and that is the pattern paper add-on. And these are the embellishments that come with the kit. So you're going to get these really cool circles and flowers of different sizes, and you can see there's some holographic stuff in those, and some phrases, as well as I'll show you the embellishments in a minute. So for the main kit pattern papers, you have these hearts that are in a rainbow color, and on the B side you've got that really cool sort of hot pink fuchsia. Then you have this pardon me, I'm going to move my speaker cord there. So you've got this sort of notebook paper with some built-in ephemera to it. And you've got that teal, turquoise, and then more rainbow, and a really cool navy blue, and you can see those diagonal stripes in that. That is cool. And then you can see that the selvage strips are also usable on this. And then you have this craft cardstock from American Crafts. And if you were to get, and then the embellishments, you're going to just get a selection of the ephemera pack. So I have a postcard and some flowers or blueberries, berries, heart, whoops, the heart, a flower. Today was flowers, a butterfly, collect beautiful moments, and leave. So some neat just generic mixes of things. Oh, and the little frame that ran away from me that I didn't see. And then if you were to get the add-ons to this kit, so this is the embellishment add-on. These phrases, I love these thicker phrases. And then for the pattern papers, you get this really cool kaleidoscope. And on the B side, you have that black and white floral. These circles, pop dots it's called, and then that really neat green on the back there. So that is the Vicki Bouton flavor. And then we will move on to, this is the Pinkfresh Studio. So again, 3 pieces of pattern paper. 1, 2, nope, I lied. Those are the add-ons. 3 pieces of pattern paper. 1, 2, 3. And then you have this lovely gray. It's called Twill cardstock. 2 pieces of that. And then those are the add-ons there. So we'll go through the pattern paper first, and then I'll show you the embellishments that accompany the kit. So circles, and then triangles in that sort of salmon-y color, reddy. It's kind of a red color with a hint of pink to it. Then those stripes with the map markings in it, and the geotags, and stripes and coordinating colors that end in all these different icons, and that gray with the, that reminds me of a Studio Calico, an old Studio Calico 7 something collection And they match pretty nicely. So that is the main kit. And then if you want to take a look at the embellishments, again, you just have a selection that comes with that. So I have this frame, a acrylic tag, paper clip sort of thing, and then these other tags. Then if you subscribe to the add-ons, the pattern paper add-ons, you have these like the compass rose and stamps with different sea rail, different things filling in the stamps. That's the B side. I love that blue with the navy blue into it. And then all of the words there. And then if you get the embellishment add-on collection, again, if you subscribe to the add-ons, you're going to get the pattern papers for all 4 flavors, or if you subscribe to the embellishments, you will get the embellishments for all 4 flavors. And I'm not going to go through all of these, but you can see it's a very generous helping of the different embellishments. So I highly recommend that if you subscribe to Flavor of the Month, that you do also subscribe, so you can see how generous that is, that you subscribe to the add-on embellishments too. It really makes the kit go and stretches it out even further. So that is the Pinkfresh Out and About collection. Next up, we have Echo Park's Flower Market. I designed for Echo Park, so be sure to stay tuned. Somewhere back in the history of my video, YouTube, you will see what I've done with this collection. So 3 pieces of pattern paper, 1, 2, 3. And the full element sticker sheet is what you get this month. That is super generous to include the full sticker sheet, because that really makes this go a long way. So for the pattern papers, we have the trucks, and the B side is this really cool plaid, black and white or off-white plaid. Then you've got these flowers. Those could be fussy cut. You could use them as they are. And that nice striped pink, kind of like a watercolor pink there. Then you have this wood grain. It's like a painted wood grain. And then on the B side, you've got, and actually that's the B side of this. This is the front side, these hoops with different sayings in them. And again, it coordinates with that cream puff cardstock from Basil. So that is the main kit. Then if you get the add-ons, 2 pieces of pattern paper. So you have the stripes, as well as the back side is a really cool watercolor, so you can see those flowers there. And you get the stripes. Again, they're kind of like watercolored because they're not those really clean edges. And then another really neat floral there. And then for the embellishment add-on, you get the full thing of chipboard phrases. So Fresh from the Garden, Truly Wondrous, Gather the Ones You Love. So a very soft, pretty, almost very spring collection. And then last but not least, for the Flavors of the Month kits, we have Photoplay Freebird. So we've got, I always open this backwards, don't I? No, I don't. All right, so 3 pattern papers, 1, 2, 3, the embellishments selection, and you have this cardstock is 2 of those. It's kind of like a greeny gray, a very subtle olive, and then 2 pieces of pattern paper from the pattern paper add-on, and then the embellishments there. So for the pattern paper, nice floral. Again, you could cut out clusters of those or leave it as it is. And then that yellow with, they almost look like eyes with eyelashes or partial sunbursts. It's a neat design. It's like a graphic design, but you can see how there's also stripes of them and then kind of more random in between. And then you've got that really cool geometric. I love the colors, the rich, they're almost fall, but they're very rich. And then you've got these paisleys, tone-on-tone paisleys. And look at those birds, how cute are they? Look at that cardinal. I love that green. And then you've got that floral there. So very different color palette. It's really neat. And then for the embellishments, you have some twine. You see that? And a doily. And then from this sheet, keep a song in your heart, some tabs, and again, this is just my selection, and a frame and Goal Girl. So that is the main kit. Then if you get the add-ons, the pattern paper add-ons, you have these eyes. So I guess they kind of are like that, only they're round and these are eye-shaped. I See You is the name of that, with that really neat geometric with all the colors in there. And then that with the stripes with the diamonds sort of punctuating them. And then you have the cut aparts on the back side. Living my best life. I love these little birdies. How cute are they? And then if you get the embellishment add-on, you get the full sticker sheet. And again, I think that is definitely worth your money and worth having that cardinal. So that is the Flavors of the Month kit, all 4 collections. And then I also subscribe to the Doubleshot. So let me share this month's Doubleshot kits collections with you. You're going to get Photoplay again, only this collection is called Belle Fleur, I believe. And then you're going to get Simple Stories Spring Farmhouse. So I will start with Simple Stories Spring Farmhouse. With this, you get embellishments, 3 pattern papers, 3 pieces of cardstock. And there are no add-ons that go with this kit. So for the 3 pieces of cardstock, you're going to get those 2 pieces of Basil Vanilla, kind of that pinky color. And then you're going to get that sort of green, tealy green almost, that go perfectly with these 2 pieces of pattern paper. I love how Rochelle coordinates cardstock with these collections. So the full sheet of stickers is this month's embellishments. And then you have this really, I love this floral. And then the yellow on the B side. All these phrases that would make a nice strip. And then that pink on the B side and that pinstripe with the doors on the B side. So that is 1 of 2 from the Doubleshot kit. And then last but not least, to follow things up, we've got this fantastic Photoplay collection. So 3 pieces of cardstock, we've got 2 pieces of white, 1 piece of that coordinating sort of salmony pink, and this is called Flamingo, and 3 pieces of cardstock and the embellishments. So let me go through the cardstock with you first. You got this typewriter with sayings, "You're just my type," and then that lovely black and white polka. You've got these stripes on the diagonal and a floral. You can see the 2 different florals side by side. So these flowers are on a white background, whereas those pink flowers are on a tealy polka dot background, but the same color palettes. Then we've done that stripe, and then on the back side of that you've got that. So that's tone on tone. It's got that same floral, just tone on tone into that pink there. So I kind of like what I've got there. Yeah. And then for the embellishments, you get a selection. You've got some chipboard. So these are very vintage teacup. Today I am happier than a bird with a French fry. And then a couple of other little embellishments. Happy, Que sera, sera. And you are the best. So that, my friends, is the Doubleshot Kit. So if you subscribe, be sure to leave my name in the comment box and or my YouTube channel, and you will get some extra goodies. Subscribers get a discount, and you can add on things from the store, but you do not have to subscribe. It's just what's left over. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the box down below. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Take care.